Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LABD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute healthiest and strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $3.60 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.60, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic yet highly effective way in terms of just kind of gauging the health of the overall price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the current trend. You know, the price is at full power. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented by that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? Doing the eyeball test, I actually can't tell. Did it break above these levels or not? Okay, currently doing battle with this level right up here around 375. So that makes a whole lot of sense why the price is struggling where it did today. Why do I say that? Well, you just go back through the history of the chart. You can see struggled right around 375, struggled right around 375, and currently struggling again. Am I saying it's impossible to break that level? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price, after such a big move, did kind of slow down right around that area. So going into tomorrow, without question, 375, public enemy number one. So we'll see if the bulls can not only break up above it, but get some closes up above it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.